Support HVACR Trade presents a quick rundown on thermostat functions for HVAC techs and students. Ever wonder what the red, green, and yellow thermostat wires actually do? Let's decode them fast. In the next 6 minutes, you'll learn the 5 key terminals, see how a thermostat switches circuits, and discover why that little cool-on light blinks for 5 minutes. Remember this, a thermostat is nothing more than an electrical switch. It connects or disconnects wires based on temperature and mode. Let's look at some terminals overview. R is 24-volt power. C is common, the path back. G starts the indoor blower. Y powers the outdoor compressor. And W commands heat. Memorize those colors. Some meter set up for testing. Set your multimeter to resistance or continuity. No 24 volts needed, just battery power. Reading the meter. 0 ohms means the switch is closed, current flows. OL or open line means the switch is open, no connection. A call for heating. Turn the stat to heat. You should read 0 ohms between R and W. Notice G is untouched. The furnace fan kicks on only after the heat exchanger warms up. Fan only mode. Slide the fan switch to on. Now R connects to G. Air circulates even without heating or cooling. A call for cooling. Switch to cool. The thermostat closes 2 circuits at once, R to Y for the compressor and R to G for the blower. 2 switches, 1 knob twist. Compressor delay. Shut the AC off, then crank it right back on, and the stat flashes cool on. That 5-minute delay protects your compressor by letting refrigerant pressures equalize. Some troubleshooting tips. Always check color to terminal before powering up. Use continuity, not live voltage, for fast installs. No blower in heat mode. Look at the furnace board first. Compressor won't restart? Wait the full 5 minutes. Download your free thermostat wiring cheat sheet from our community at login.supporthvacortrade.com and also join our Mastering Your Multimeter course for hands-on labs. Remember to share, and subscribe to my channel for more fun. I'm O'Neill with Support HVACR Trade. Stay cool, stay connected.